Ecwid versus Shopify. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll be discussing to you guys the difference between Ecwid and Shopify and which is better between the two. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, what is Ecwid? Well, Ecwid is an online shop platform that lets companies sell goods and services through a variety of channels. Its flexibility and ease of use make it stand out. Customers can quickly add an online store to their current website, social networking profiles, or online marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Businesses using Ecwid can easily track sales across several platforms, manage inventory, and take payments. So what are the pros and cons of using Ecwid? Well, for the pros, you can sell products not only on their website, but also on social media platforms, marketplaces, and even in person with point-of-sale systems or POS. Next is, given that zero coding skills are needed, e-commerce can easily be set up on the website. So it's easy to set up Ecwid. And then the last pro is that Ecwid supports for multiple languages, currencies, and shipping options. Let us now move on to the cons of Ecwid. So the first one is Ecwid has limited customization options. Thus, it has reduced creative control. Next is the issue of scalability arises as fast-growing stores encounter Ecwid's limitations. And then lastly, the free plan has no access to the app market and no chat and phone support, which are the main drawbacks. So why should you use Ecwid? Businesses choose Ecwid because of its benefits for the customer, which guarantee easy buying. Customers appreciate exploring and buying things on websites, social media, and marketplaces with simple integration, while secure payment processing fosters confidence. Flexible design options cater to a wide range of tastes. Ecwid offers clients easy access to the products with its global reach and multi-channel selling, which promotes customers' pleasure and loyalty. Moving on, let's move on to Shopify. So what is Shopify? Well, Shopify is also an e-commerce platform that empowers businesses to create and manage online stores. It offers a set of tools for creating, altering, and marketing goods online, on social media, and in person. With capabilities for marketing, payment processing, and inventory management, Shopify facilitates the effective creation and expansion of online presence for companies of all sizes. Moving on, let us proceed to the pros and cons of Shopify. So for the pros, first is we have quick store creation and management are possible for non-technical users because of the user-friendly interface and easy setup. Next is provides a wide range of responsive themes, adaptable designs, and sophisticated support for HTML and CSS customization. Third is a robust ecosystem of apps, simple integration, and improved functionality without requiring technical assistance. Fourth, it is compatible with third-party payment processors. The built-in gateway enables a variety of payment methods and currencies. Fifth, there is constant help available by phone, email, and live chat, as well as a wealth of resources and lessons. And then lastly, offers comprehensive reports on sales and consumer behavior and facilitates Google Analytics integration. Let us move on to the cons of Shopify. So first is that Shopify makes a transaction fee unless you use Shopify Payments, the proprietary payment gateway offered by Shopify. Next is high cost to migrate to other platforms, involves certain lock-in. And then lastly, Shopify allows you a 3-day free trial free of charge without any free plan. After that, you only have to choose one of the paid plans. So why should you use Shopify? Well, businesses pick Shopify because of its extensive e-commerce solutions that can be customized to meet different demands. While its rich features, including changeable themes, an extensive app store, and multi-channel selling options, boost flexibility and scalability, its user-friendly interface makes store creation quick and easy. Shopify's dependable payment processing, secure infrastructure, and committed support team guarantee smooth operations, freeing small businesses to concentrate on expansion and profitability. So moving on, let's proceed to the comparison between Ecwid and Shopify. So let us start with the pricing. So Ecwid and Shopify both have tiered monthly price plans. So Ecwid's price plan is between $0 and $99, while Shopify pricing ranges from $5 to $399. One key factor that makes Ecwid stand out is its lower options for paid and free plans, which have some limitations, such as the number of products. Despite being costly, Shopify offers a 3-day free trial and a $1 for 3 months trial, making it an excellent option for trying it out. Next is let us proceed with the e-commerce tools and features. Managing and running your e-commerce store is where the real fun starts. In the race of Ecwid versus Shopify, the difference lies in the availability of e-commerce tools essential for long-term growth and scalability. With Ecwid, online business is made easier and simpler with tools like inventory management, promo, and multi-channel selling. For Shopify, the website building platform provides powerful functionalities including calculated shipping, drop shipping, and multi-currency selling to make it easier to meet your sales target. Next is we have ease of use. So Ecwid shines in its simplicity, easily integrating into the current websites that are already developed, making the e-commerce setup process quicker. Its simple interface and easy-to-follow dashboard allows users to go through the process step by step. On the other hand, Shopify promotes ease of use with the help of comprehensive tutorials and a drag-and-drop editor that can be used even by beginners and long-time users alike to make their online storefronts unique. Next is we have design and flexibility. Ecwid is functional in design and its main focus is the integration with your current website design, which could be a downside in terms of customization compared to the standalone store builders. On the other hand, Shopify differentiates itself by offering beautiful, mobile responsive themes designed by professionals and customized to match their users' brands. From free to paid themes, users with coding skills can make minute changes to align your store with their particular style and preference. Next is payment options and fees. With Ecwid, you can process credit cards through PayPal, a high-quality payment gateway without any charges except PayPal's fee. Furthermore, Ecwid has about 100 other country-specific payment gateway options, therefore the taxes and fees to be paid vary depending on your location. In the same way, Shopify provides over 100 online payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, AirPay, and Amazon Pay, including Shopify Payments, its own integrated payment system. Transaction fees are eliminated if Shopify Payments is used, but the credit card rate still exists, with the fee dropping as you opt for more expensive plans. Next is we have SEO marketing. Ecwid's JavaScript scripts in online shops can be mistaken for Ajax by search engines, posing challenges for standard SEO. The promotion setting focuses on partners like Facebook and external trading platforms lacking standard SEO options. Basic marketing tools are available, but additional apps are needed for email campaigns. Analytics are limited without third-party integration. On the contrary, Shopify leads in SEO features among SaaS platforms. It allows easy editing of the on-page SEO aspects such as titles, meta descriptions, and alt text. Shopify simplifies email marketing with its embedded abandoned cart emails and campaigns. Shopify offers marketing tools such as email campaigns, retargeting ads, social media, and SEO app connections, which are off-site tools. SEO Ant is an app that is inside the Shopify App Store and can help you improve your site's SEO score. Next is we have performance and security. So Shopify and Ecwid both emphasize the importance of data security. Ecwid, a level 1 PCI DSS certified, stores data with Amazon Web Services and regularly scans for breaches. It works on HTTPS, maintaining secure connections through encryption for more safety. Like Shopify, it is also level 1 PCI DSS compliant and meets 6 major security standards. These include secure network maintenance, cardholder data protection, and robust access control implementation. Shopify publicly makes a lot of compliance reports available, though some are meant exclusively for active Shopify users. Next is we have apps and integrations. Ecwid provides integrations with different web apps via App Market, including widely used ones like MailChimp and Xero. It comes with limited tools compared to Shopify, however, it has essential tools like ShipStation and TaxJar. In contrast, Shopify's App Store has over 9,000 apps that can address various needs such as SEO, inventory management, customer support, product reviews, and marketing. So every app from Shopify is checked out to ensure that it is safe, sound, and not a scam. Ongoing app maintenance ensures that it is bug-free and that new features are introduced based on users' feedback. Whether it is Ecwid's purposeful integrations or Shopify's huge app ecosystem, users can choose products to improve their online stores. Next is we have help and support. Ecwid and Shopify have excellent customer service and you can contact them. Both have YouTube channels, informative blogs, FAQs, and user support forums. Shopify provides full support for all paid plans, but Ecwid's level of support varies. So for the free plan of Ecwid, you'll only get to email. For the venture plan, you'll have messaging and live chat. For the business plan, you'll have email, live chat, or phone. And for the unlimited plan, you'll get email, live chat, and priority phone support. To conclude, Ecwid provides full support solely with the unlimited plan. However, Shopify extends full support to all its paid plans. Moving on, let's take a deep dive of deep integration of Shopify and Ecwid. So, embedding Ecwid store in Shopify website. Embed your Ecwid store into your Shopify website to showcase and sell products on the Shopify platform. This expands your sales channels, balancing the professionalism of Shopify with the flexibility of Ecwid, so you can combine them both. Utilizing Ecwid's multi-channel sales feature, so set up and manage multiple sales channels in Ecwid, such as selling products on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Utilize Ecwid's multi-channel sales feature to display and sell products on various online platforms, attracting more customers. Next is expanding product lines and managing inventory with Ecwid. Use Ecwid to expand your product lines or manage inventory more flexibly if you encounter product limitations or need greater flexibility on Shopify. Ecwid helps manage more products and provides more flexible inventory management to meet the needs of different sales channels. Next is leveraging Shopify's marketing and analytic tools. Utilize various marketing tools and analytics features on Shopify to improve sales and understand customer behavior. For example, use Google and Facebook ads on Shopify and utilize Shopify's analytics tools to track sales data and customer conversion rates. Next is ensuring unified customer experience. So ensure consistent branding and shopping experience across Shopify and Ecwid, including synchronizing information such as product descriptions, prices, and inventory levels. Next is optimizing website performance. So ensure that both your Shopify website and Ecwid store are optimized to provide fast loading speeds and a smooth shopping experience, thereby increasing conversion rates. By deeply integrating Shopify and Ecwid, you can leverage the strengths of both platforms to expand your sales channels, manage products more flexibly, and enhance your marketing capabilities, ultimately increasing sales and driving business growth. So next is we have 5 reasons to choose Shopify in boosting your sales. So first is we have the user-friendly Shopify 3-day trial. So in here, you'll get, when signing up for Shopify, you will get a 3-day free trial so that you can try out its features without any commitment. And then after that, if you're planning to buy their plans, it will cost you $1 per month for 3 months. And then after that, you will now start paying their regular prices. Next is Shopify has over 6,000 apps. So Shopify has 6,000 or more than 6,000 apps that you can choose from in customizing your online store, and you can also use tools from there to make your website more accessible. Next is flexible e-commerce solutions. So Shopify offers custom e-commerce solutions for businesses at different stages. It caters to startups as well as large enterprises. Shopify Plus, designed for bigger operations, offers advanced features like customized checkout and dedicated support. It provides scalable infrastructure to handle high sales volumes. Shopify's adaptability ensures it offers the necessary tools for the e-commerce journey. Next is POS, or point of sale for business. So the Shopify POS system merges online and offline sales. It enables businesses to manage stock, process transactions, and track sales across multiple channels from one platform. This flexibility ensures a unified shopping experience for customers, whether online, in-store, or on the go. Next is it enhances efficiency and customer satisfaction by offering a seamless shopping experience. And then lastly, professional Shopify expert. So Shopify offers access to a community of e-commerce professionals. So they specialize in in-store setup, design, marketing, and optimization. So these experts provide valuable support and services to shop owners. And then the goal is to help create a professional and appealing online presence. Ultimately, these Shopify experts aim to assist in reaching business goals. So in conclusion, Shopify and Ecwid each have unique benefits. Shopify offers a complete e-commerce solution, but Ecwid is better at integrating with already existing websites. To obtain the best of both worlds, Ecwid may be integrated into a Shopify store and utilized in conjunction with it. More scalability and flexibility are provided by this integration, meeting a range of e-commerce requirements. Specific businesses' requirements should guide the selection of the optimal solution. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, the comparison between Ecwid and Shopify. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.